wonderful to have you on the show.
It's always a pleasure, Pooja.
You are looking fabulous.
Thank you.
शिल्पा, आप 10 साल से ज़्यादा इस इंडस्ट्री में शामिल हैं. In these 10 years, you've done lots and lots of entertaining films.
जी.
So what made you take on a film like फिर मिलेंगे?
उसके काफ़ी सारी रीजंस रही. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी मुझे एक ऐसे फिल्म का हिस्सा होने का मौका मिला जो ना कि मेरे एक्टिंग एबिलिटी को प्रदर्शन करने के लिए एक मौका मिला, लेकिन उसके बावजूद एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला मुझे जो सोशली रेलेवेंट था.
आपको इससे पहले मौका नहीं मिला था?
एक सोशली रेलेवेंट फिल्म में काम करने का मौका तो मिला नहीं मुझे.
Why do you think films like that haven't been made before?
Well, that's a difficult question actually, because it's easier said than done. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि और सोशली रेलेवेंट फिल्में बननी चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसे सिर्फ बोलने से चलता नहीं है. अगर उनसे पूछा जाए स्पॉट पोल में कि आप एक एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म देखना चाहेंगे या एक सोशली रेलेवेंट फिल्म, आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ देम वुड से एन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म. वेल, इन टुडेज टाइम एंड एज वेयर यू सी most of the Indian people trying to ape the West and trying to get away from culture, which is really scary. I dread to think what my kids are going to be like 20 years down the line. K3G was a film that actually presented the true Indian values and family togetherness and all the things that India stands for.
I think ज़्यादातर जो हमने ये opinions देखे हैं, I think people don't want to identify with pain, with suffering. They don't want to accept or maybe acknowledge it as part of their lives.
क्योंकि वो उनकी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में इतने पेन से गुजर रहे हैं कि वो थिएटर में जाके obviously वो नहीं देखना चाहते. वो entertain होना चाहते हैं.
Even if it builds awareness.
Well, I've been part of a film like फिर मिलेंगे, which I enjoyed doing as an actor, as a human being. I grew with a film like that. But honestly, and it's not like people haven't seen the movie. They've maybe got a DVD and watched it at home. You know what I mean? They wouldn't want to go and watch it in a theater. That's the way it is.
आपने बहुत सारी entertaining films की है. आपने बड़े-बड़े directors के साथ में काम किया है, biggest co-stars. लेकिन आपको जो recognition मिला है as a serious actress has only come with a film like this.
मुझे ताज्जुब होता है जब लोग कहते हैं कि जैसे आपने भी कहा कि people felt you suddenly started believing that you were a good actress after फिर मिलेंगे. ऐसी बात नहीं है कि मैंने performance oriented roles नहीं किए हैं इससे पहले, बल्कि मुझे लगता है एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है एक कमर्शियल फिल्म में अपने रोल को जस्टिफाई करना. बहुत एक आम बात नहीं है क्योंकि it's larger than life like they said.
लेकिन as a performer, does it give you great satisfaction to know not only did you do a great role, but in some way you have helped serve society?
Well, मेरे लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है एक एक्टर के तौर पे भी और एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के तौर पे भी, जब लोग आके बोलते हैं कि एक ऐसी फिल्म छू गई हमें, और ऑब्वियसली इसलिए छू गई क्योंकि it had an effect on them only because of the performances, because of the way we were presented, thanks to Revati. And I really wish it had a bigger impact. I really wish the film were to be promoted by the government. ऐसी फिल्में जो होती हैं काफ़ी risky proposition होती हैं. लोग obviously first day first show एक ऐसी फिल्म पे अपना पैसा ज़ाया करना चाहेंगे जो उनको एंटरटेनमेंट वैल्यू देती है.
लेकिन इस फिल्म में फिर मिलेंगे में बहुत सारे स्टार नेम्स थे. I mean, it had the best stars.
जी.
That would have been a draw for the box office for sure. Just at least the initial draw.
There's no assurance. There's never an assurance only because it's a star name that's attached to a film. There has to be content, which our film did have. But Fir Milenge, if you look at it as an audience, at least when I saw the end product, I thought it was an extremely positive film, and I think AIDS is an issue that really needs to be tackled on a war footing. And I'm happy that Revati had the gumption to make a film like this.
Phir Milenge has been packaged as a very big film with big stars, etc., etc. But had it been a smaller film, would you have still accepted it?
Of course. जब रेवती मेरे पास आई थी, उनके पास ना अभिषेक बच्चन साइन हुए थे, ना सलमान खान. तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि शायद वो न्यू कमर्स के साथ ये पिक्चर बनाएंगी.
And you weren't scared of having an artist stamp put on you कि छोटी फिल्म है, आर्ट फिल्म जैसी बन रही है?
मैं इस सेग्रीगेशन में बिलीव ही नहीं करती कि ये आर्ट सिनेमा, कमर्शियल सिनेमा, जैसे
there is a definite divide.
हाँ, डिफरेंस क्या है मैं बताती हूँ आपको. जो पिक्चरें चलती हैं उसे कमर्शियल कहा जाता है, और जो पिक्चरें नहीं चलती उसे आर्ट फिल्म करार दिया जाता है. सो इट्स सो वियर्ड. People only take you seriously when you're sans makeup. You know, when you're doing a film sans makeup. So even
God,
if it was,
I better do the show sans glamour.
हाँ, तो फिर then you'll be known as a serious
talk show host.
Talk show host.
पता नहीं कैसे कपड़े पहनती, इतना मेकअप, इतने jewels पहनती रहती है.
I think being glamorous is great fun, and it's an actor's job to look good. And as an actress, it's important to reinvent yourself as well. So I've done it all.
Actors who do films like this do cut their rates, do slash the rates dramatically for it. It's more about the cause than the money.
Definitely.
तो आपको क्या लगता है? Is that the reason we don't see so many stars in movies like this?
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. हर एक के अलग अलग रीजंस होंगे. मैं उनके लिए तो बात नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन मैं अपनी बात कर सकती हूँ. मुझे फिर मिलेंगे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी और इसलिए मैंने की. और मैंने रेवती के सेंसिबिलिटीज़ को पूरी तरह से ट्रस्ट करके काम किया, और मुझे कोई गिले शिकवे नहीं रहे.
आपकी ये कंप्लेंट है कि you wish that a lot more people had seen the film.
Yes.
Right?
A lot of people saw the film. They didn't go to the theater to watch the movie. So everybody has come and seen the movie and said, or they've gone gaga over the performance or the movie, and all of them have reacted very, very positively.
At the box office.
It wasn't a box office success. But for me, Phir Milenge was a successful film because I look at it from a different perspective. I just couldn't act. I had to feel for the character. So, especially even doing this scene, I would be crying throughout. I was crying before every shot, after every shot. If you see, my nose was pink. And it was the most traumatic film of my life, the most traumatic experience. And I remember I was at this AIDS conference, and there was this girl who had her story to tell us. And she was really, really gutsy. She actually stood up, and she's been living with HIV for the last 10 years. And she stood up and she told us a story of how she was not treated. She had a root canal, and she was in excruciating pain to be done. And the dentist refused to do it on her because she was living with HIV. So she stood up there and she said, "I'm HIV positive and I want to live my life with dignity." So that really pained me. I went up to her and I hugged her and I was like, there's nothing wrong with you. And I have more respect for you, for the fact that you've actually stood up and you've said that you're HIV positive. So I think this film has evoked a lot of reactions, positive reactions, and I really hope the word spreads faster and we deal with the problem on a war footing.
Well, I hope that you continue to do such wonderful socially relevant films. Stars like you, with the position you have in the industry today, can really help impact society. And speaking of your, star status, I believe your recent commercial success, thus, based on the anti-terrorism cell, is doing phenomenally well.
Yes.
And congratulations for that, Shilpa.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for being on this show and sharing all your experiences with us.
Thank you so much for that lovely insight into what those people felt about my work, and it's really, really encouraging, and I'm glad that my work's being appreciated. Thank you so much for having me on this show.
Welcome.